Hey guys, it's your girl again with another video. So I look a mess, don't just worry about my look. But anyways, today I'm going to show you guys how you can create a bow for a tutu set. This tutu set is a mermaid tutu set for a 2-year-old, and I have the ribbons that I used for this. I always use the ribbons that I use. I always like to incorporate the two what they call it now, the two ribbons that I use for my tutus, and sometimes I use the third one I just use it to tie it. And today I'm gonna be using this two, and also this one here that I used just for tying it up. So I always see a lot of people just use one ribbon, but for me, I always like to look unique. I want my handwork to look unique. I want people to see it and get attracted to it. So that's the reason why I make my two. So for this, we are going to measure 30 inches long. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it right now. So excuse my table, I have a lot going on. I have a craft show coming up, and I have like 3 craft shows, so I am just prepping myself, getting ready for it. So but anyways, so I am gonna measure 30, and that is 30, and I'm gonna cut this. For the other color, I'm gonna make it shorter because that's gonna be on top of this big one here. And I always, of course, like to use my lighter so it don't unravel. And you always want to do that each time you cut a ribbon. So I already did this. So now, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one here. And this I will go for a 25 inches. So I want it to be shorter. So 25 inches is just perfect for me for this. And you do however you want it, but that's how I like it. I don't want the second color to be long as much as the first one. Alright, make sure, okay, this one is already sealed, so I'm just gonna put this up. Alright, so now all you need to do is how to make your ribbon. You put these two together like this. I'm not sure how to stand for you guys to see it. Like this, you start this way, you cross it this way, and you see this flap, this part here, you use this part and go like this. See, it's forming, and fold it in, and now I'm gonna start giving it a pinch, a pinch, a pinch, and there we go. So when you give this, when you got all your pinches done, this is how it's supposed to look when you're done. So I am gonna go ahead and use my needle. Otherwise, another thing you can do is to use a rubber band and hold it down. It's up to you. So I have rubber band. I'll use this to hold it down if I want to. The other ones I've done, I usually use rubber band to hold it, so that way I don't lose it. And this rubber band is just like the hair rubber band, the little hair rubber band you buy from the hair store. And I just use it to hold it. That way I can now start adjusting if I need to adjust it. And just in case, you know, the shape is not how you want it, now it's time for you to like move around pull things out, and it's gonna look like this. You see that? So now I am gonna go ahead and do the other one. I want to sew everything at once. In the past I just sewed this one first, but just to save some time, we can go ahead and do this other one, so we can sew the both of them at the same time. So the same thing, and you can give your pinch, pinch, pinch. This one is a fast pinch, and I realize this part is longer, but when the good part is when you use the rubber band, you'll be able to make your adjustments. So let me do that again. Put these two together. Pull this, pull this. And here I can just pinch it like this and pull my rubber band. I just use 2 rubber bands to hold it, so in case one snaps, I have a second one to help me, you know, keep on going. So you can do this however you like, and the rubber band just kind of helps me to hold everything in place, and I can start adjusting if I need to adjust and all of that good stuff. But if I had sewn it, I'm stuck with whatever I got. So now it's gonna look like this. See that? But now I am gonna use this, if I like, to wrap it up. So I always, for some reason, I always go for 3 ribbons. I'm trying to stop the 3 ribbons thing and do the 2 ribbons, but it looks prettier. So this one here, I'm gonna use this. My thread is already ready for me. So I'm gonna use this to wrap it. So now I'm gonna add this 2 together and use this to wrap the middle. Sometimes I just leave the rubber band there. I don't bother about it. I'm thinking I'm gonna get like a glue gun. I think I have it. I don't know where it is right now. So you see what I'm doing? Wrapping this here with this other one, with the 2 bow that we need. So you can see, wrap them together. And if I have the glue gun now, I'm just gonna like just gum it and now sew it on my tutu. So now this is how it should look by the time I'm done. So now I am gonna go ahead and sew this on my tutu. I'm not gonna sew this separately, but if I have, that's right, baby.
Okay, I like it.
You do. So now I am gonna go ahead and sew this like this on the tutu, and so that I don't do too much sewing, I'm not gonna take this out. So my daughter is on the way. She came in and saw the tutu and she loves it.
I liked it.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
You do.
I liked it because I like to put it on.
Like now she got a tutu on. She's just like having fun with tutu. Look at that.
Okay, so now it's my channel.
It's your channel now?
Uh-huh.
All right. It's yours. So now I am gonna go ahead and sew this on the tutu. I am not gonna sew this on its own. You can see this is coming. It's what is left. I'm gonna cut this part here. So I am gonna go ahead and sew this just like this on the tutu, just like this. You see how it is? So I'm gonna sew it on the tutu right now, and I have my thread that I made already, and you want to make sure you got that ready for you. So where I usually put my ribbon is, you know, the elastic part. You see this part here where I sewed it? That's why I usually sew the ribbon on. So I am gonna go ahead and sew this up. It's gonna be really thick because remember we have, see how it's gonna look like? So pretty. Remember we have the rubber band, so rubber band is gonna make it feel so thick. So at this point, if you want to take out the rubber band, you can. Somebody,
so sparkly.
that's right. So
I'm so proud of you making it to my tutu.
oh, thank you, baby.
The winner for me.
My baby is proud of me. Thank you. That means a lot to me.
It's watching you and me.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and sew this up.
Wow.
If my daughter is gonna get out of the way for you guys, that would be great, right? So I'm gonna sew it from inside out. So it's gonna be inside out until I feel like it's secure.
Yeah.
So
foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate.
so now this is ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. And I remember this one that was lapping, this little one. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's lapping, so I am gonna go ahead and cut it really neatly.
So if you guys are wondering how I made this beautiful mermaid skirts and either the shirt as well, I will be dropping a very detailed video on how I made the skirts, so you guys watch out for that video. Even the shirt as well, watch out for those videos. I will be posting that sometime next week, and turn on your notification bell. Otherwise, I will, if this video is past a week, you should check in the description box for the link. Turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when I post the video.
I always like give it a cut like this, just to give it the look that I want. There we go. And I'm definitely, you can see the difference. You can see the style coming out real good. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. So let me see, I want to go this way so they can both be in that direction. If I do it like this. And I'll do this other side as well. You want to get it from the tips and ruler. So it looks like a fish tail. Not like a fish tail, but I don't know. But you can see how it looks like. So now I am gonna use my, of course, lighter. You want to make sure you get the tips. Just be careful so you don't burn everything and mess your shape up.
Okay.
All right.
This is
So that's how it's gonna look like. I'd always like to put mine on the side. People put it in the front, but I think it should be on the side, not on the middle. So there we go. So guys, this is how it came out. I hope you guys like it. Let me know, put that in the comment section, and let me know if you're gonna try it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more videos like this. We're gonna be doing a lot of DIYs just to help you grow your business, and you guys are gonna be seeing my behind the scene. So this is how it's just gonna look like. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up so that other crafters can see this video and it's gonna be helpful for them. And go ahead and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any video. We're gonna be having 2 videos every week.
Yeah.
Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.